Top of the morning, fellas. It's Monday morning, and we just had our final polishing done on the trailer here. We did it in-house, 312 hours. I added it up. I got time cards for it. Polish every square inch of the aluminum. It's a multi-stage process doing this. You start with a 600 grit, then 1,000, then 15, then 2,000. Then you use 3 different buffing wheels and 3 different rouges to bring raw aluminum to look like chrome, and it's kind of a permanent solution. So the outside of the trailer, we spent 8 hours detailing the wrap, gluing some of the pieces down that were coming up, and touching it up with a little bit of paint in areas. The whole top stretch, 44 foot, both sides got polished like chrome. We actually painted the license plate light, painted the black, touched up the handles. It's got brand new Michelin. These are the top of the line Michelin XPS rib tires. They're LT235/85 R16. They're actually regroovable. They're expensive, but they're worth it. I got 4 new Phoenix USA stainless steel wheel covers. We painted the frame. The only metal on this entire trailer is in between the wheels. That was painted. The fenders were sanded, polished, as was the same process for all the aluminum around the entire trailer. Coming up to the front here, the jack handle was touched up, detailed, painted. We actually painted the Bulldog adjustable gooseneck was painted. Both of the jacks were painted with a 2-stage primer and top coat. Christy bought me this new Harley Davidson tire protector. The front stainless cap was polished, as was all aluminum up on the top. The aluminum all the way around the entire trailer. Really excited about today. We're bringing this to Atlas Metal, and they're going to install the interior on the trailer. If you look at this red mark I have right here, from here down is going to be on the door is going to be diamond tread plate. Then there'll be an anodized gold, and the top will be in black. And we have some stuff we're mounting on a door: a 2-gallon water container, a glove container, and a Gojo container. Then inside here, the walls are going to be lined. The floor, ridiculous amount of work on the floor. The floor was like, well, I'm not going to say it was black, but it certainly wasn't chrome like this when we got it. And it took us, like, hindsight being 2020, I don't think I would have taken this project on if I knew how much work it was going to be to get it where it is. That top rail all the way down, the entire top rail right there, 44 foot on the inside, 44 foot on the outside on both sides, polished to a brilliant shine, every square inch. Those are all the E-track. The E-track, I got enough E-track to line the entire inside of the trailer 4 inches off the floor around the entire interior. So coming down this side, you can see the brilliant shine on the aluminum. These are the 3 new Phoenix stainless steel wheel covers with a Michelin XPS radios. These are the best tire you can possibly buy for a trailer. They're actually built the same quality as a tractor trailer tire. They're actually regroovable. They're the only 16-inch tire on the planet made that's actually regroovable. So pretty excited about it. I think Willie G would be proud, and hope Ann Paluzzo, who was the Harley Davidson race team manager that owned this trailer, I bought it from her. Just to give you an idea of the amount of labor, we spent 16 hours cleaning the paint off the back side of the ramp. So someone had painted them silver, and we polished the aluminum to a brilliant shine. So Ronnie's been on this since day one with me. Hasn't missed a single day. Squirrel's been on it for the tail end of the project here, last week or so. So these guys have been kicking ass. This rib right here, this is all polished aluminum. The ramp itself, if you remember, this had a non-skid finish on there that was half peeled off, and it looked like it was like a beige color. Really was really rough looking. So the ramp has been polished like chrome also. So it's just beautiful. So heading to Atlas Metal, so stay tuned. We're gonna have the interior installed. We have even painted the springs up top there gold. There's a clue of what you're going to see on the interior. There's going to be some gold detailing on the interior. I don't want to tell you too much, it'll ruin the surprise, but got a ton of accessories that are getting installed that I got inside here. These are the cabinets that are going in. Doc's happy. What's happening, Doc? What you got there? Nice Triumph, huh? I'll be over to see that in a second. These are the cabinets we're mounting on the wall. I went with a black and stainless look. Those are helmet cabinets, and these are all the wall cabinets that are going on the inside of the trailer over here. So, and this is an aluminum table by Pit Pal that's getting installed on the inside. These are all the components and accessories we're going to mount on the wall. So these are going on the door. It's going to be awesome, man. I figured since we're bringing it over, we'd give the dually a little TLC today. So we washed the dually, cleaned it inside and out, did the windows. It's got 140,000 miles on it now. It's a 2016. We put some miles on it. So we did upholstery. Kenny's on the upholstery. And Kenny old school. Yeah, we cleaned out the back. I got to drop my heavy equipment trailer up top and hook up this one. And it's going to be hammered down over the Atlas metal to get the interior installed on that thing. So pretty psyched about it. We also had our electrician buddy Matt come over and fix the interior lights. So all 4 interior lights work too. So it's going to be pretty stout. Ronnie's been with me on it since day one. What are your thoughts, Ronnie?
Well, from when it came from day one to now, I would say it's so clean. It's so clean. A bird could fly through it just like a window. I'll tell you that. Okay.
Definitely came out nice. What do you think, Squirrel?
I would think it's a very special job. I think it's going to come out beautiful. And I think it's a very hard work, even in potentials. And those potentials are going to look like magic when it's done.
Oh, yeah.
And that's my favorite word, make the magic happen. It's a long process, but the magic will happen.
Yep, and we don't give up for the miracle around here in Rockville, do we?
No, sir.
Look at the job these guys did on the gate, man. Just beautiful.
We don't even give up when we sleep. We
Man,
still be thinking about
this thing's shining like diamonds. Nice job, guys. You did an awesome job. Thank you. Looking good, Doc. What are we waiting for on your Elsinore? We're waiting for that one.
Yeah, I know. Well, we're gonna set the tent up. Get it going.
Awesome, looking good. Stay tuned, folks. Lots of great stuff coming this week. God bless America.